Okay, it's Jan from Elemental Arts, and today we're going to be unboxing the S8 tattoo stencil printer. And let's see what's inside. Now we're going to be using this printer to replace a PocketJet 673 that really didn't work for us. And when I called Brother Customer Service, they basically told me that that was the older model, you need the newer model, and that by going through S8, there was proprietary firmware loaded into the printer itself that would make it handle the spirit paper better. So let's see what's included in the kit. The printer, some paper, tattoo gel, power supply, USB cable, blah, blah, blah. All right. So now this is one of the issues that we had with the 673 was it wouldn't, according to the documentation, it didn't work on the USB with the Mac. Now, according to Brother, it actually would, that it was just wrong on their website. But this model of printer definitely is supposed to, and also supports AirPrint. So we got our sample pack of gloves. Got documentation for the printer. Now, once again, basically, all these is a rebranded Brother PocketJet printer, but it has some proprietary stuff loaded in. So let's see what they have to say here. And it's basically going to go over the printer setup. It looks like it should be very easy. We'll find out when we go to set it up. More directions on how to apply the stencil. And more advertisements for their products. Let's see here. And in this package, they give you basically what they say is 25 setups. So 25 papers, gel packets, and stencil transfer packets and tattooing gel packets. So let's see if I can open this box one-handed to show you all what's inside. Well, at least it does come well sealed. And it's not quite focusing in, but here are the tattoo and transfer gel packets, and I believe the spirit paper is underneath. And then here's another 25 setup kit. And then we have the actual printer itself. Now, when we had bought the Brother PocketJet that wasn't optimized for tattooing, it basically came exactly like this, and I'm not necessarily surprised by this. We knew that it was just the Brother printer rebranded and supposedly tweaked, but I'm really hoping this one works a lot better than the PocketJet 673 worked for us. Now, this one being marked S8, when it comes out of the package, at first when we were looking into this, we had pretty much figured that S8 marketing this printer was nothing but a gimmick, and they could say whatever they wanted about their fancy software. But when I was on the phone with a representative from Brother Tech Support, he said that they really did actually make changes to the way that this printer works so that it will work better for a tattoo stencil. So I'm going to finish getting this all unwrapped and get it set up down in the studio, and we'll see if it actually works the way it is supposed to and solves our problems. Okay, so as I was going to install the software for the drivers here, it appears to have hung up on this, which is never a good sign when you're trying to install your drivers, so wish me luck. Alright, so while we wait for the MacBook to not do anything there, we're going to try installing this printer on the iPad, because we should be able to do this wirelessly, and Joelle has a tattoo she needs to do in about a short amount of time, and it would make it a lot easier if she actually had this device to work. So per the instructions, I turned it on. Now I am going to press and hold the Wi-Fi button. Nope, right here. So now that it said that blue indicator should flash every 3 seconds. Don't see any flashing. So let's check the settings and see if we have this printer available now. Okay, the 773 is available now. And I believe that the password is going to be the last 5 digits of the serial number. Let's see. Nope. Okay. It's actually, let's try 773 followed by the last 5. Okay, so that does look like it worked. And we seem to have connection. Now let's see if we can print something. Open the Brother app. We're going to select the device. Hey, and it says we can print. Let's see, we'll try something fairly simple here, a little Triforce. Alright, now, I haven't seen it anywhere, but I'm sure that we got to tear this yellow sheet off, just like on all the other Brother Pocket Jet printers that we use. So I'm just going to prepare this paper real quick, because I do need 2 hands for it, so give me just a second. Alright, so I got the sheet of paper, stencil paper prepared and got it all loaded up. We're going to try hitting print on the iPad, and voila, the stencil actually prints. And this is what we were trying to achieve with the 673. It worked a few times, but apparently it's working just fine with the 773 S8 model that was optimized for tattoo stencils. So we'll have more updates on this, but this is the progress we made so far. And I'm pretty sure I made no progress at all loading the MacBook driver, but I'll get that sorted out. But for now, thanks for watching. It's Jan from Elemental Arts Tattoo.